Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can combine videos on Instagram Reels. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeful tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram app, then you can log into your account. After that, to combine videos on Instagram Reels, simply tap on this plus button which is in the top right corner, and from here you can tap on the Reels. You can also go to your profile page, and from that page you can simply tap on the plus button which is in the top right corner, and then you can also choose Reels. From here you can record a video, or you can also choose photos or video from your gallery. So simply tap on this gallery button in the bottom left corner, and then you can go to your video section, and then you can choose any of the video. After that, choosing the video, you can simply add music, or you can also choose a part of the video that you want to add to your reels. Then tap on the add button in the top right corner. After that, you can again tap on this reels button to record another video, and then you can also tap on this gallery button to select a video. After that, again tap on the video, and then you can choose a part of video, and then again tap on this add button in the top right corner. You can again add any other video by simply selecting the video or recording the video. After that, you can after doing all this thing, you can simply tap on this preview button which is in the bottom right corner, and then it will bring you to this page. Here you can edit this reel. You can edit clips. You can do all this thing, and as soon as your reels will be ready for upload, simply tap on this next button which is in the bottom right corner, and then it will bring you to this page. Here you can see the share button in the bottom right corner. You can also give a caption, then simply tap on the share button in the bottom right corner, and now it is sharing. That's how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.